Welcome back to my classroom. Hi, I'm Kate if you're new here, and today is day 5. I don't know why I did it like that. Day 5 of this setup, and today's main goal is to just put away all the things. Holy moly. I did not realize how bad I left it. Let me show you. Hey, hi, yikes. I know. It's bad. It's real bad. So that is our main goal. If anything cool pops up, I'll stop in to let you know. Otherwise, I am gonna go ahead and get on this. Put away all the things. I think, you know what I'm gonna do? I think I'm gonna start with just like putting away the stuff on the desks, working inside out, right? I think that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, all right. Yeah. Okay, so real quickly before I get started, I'm gonna need to get some music going because I'm not gonna work in an empty room. It would be interesting if you guys can guess what song I'm listening to. I don't really know how you would do that though, but I don't know. If you think you know what I'm listening to, put it down below. That makes no sense. Okay, so I didn't make it very far. I was also listening to Pink, So What? Love that song. Real quickly, I just want to say a student named Michelle Barrios, a long time ago, he's probably an adult by now. He gave me these a long time ago, and I just did not need coasters. It was so sweet, but I did not need them. And my sister was like, "You are so rude, Kate. Like, seriously, that kid gave that to you? Why don't you like put it out? They want to see you use it." And so she was right. And it's so funny because I still have this. This kid, I think, was in my, I want to say he was in my first class here at Einstein. That was now going into 13, so let's say 12 years ago, and he would have been 9 at the time, so he's like 21 now. Oh my god. So yeah, anyway, I try to hang on to this stuff that students give to me, but yeah, for whatever reason, I've kept this all these years. Crazy. Okay, back at it. All right, you guys, I am going to go ahead and sharpen pencils and colored pencils because I don't feel like putting things away right now. I did manage to get 2 desks cleared off, so progress. All right, we are gonna go ahead. I already had a disaster. Hi. So go ahead and leave it. Hi, hello. On day 2, I think it was, you saw a little Target mini haul. I'm gonna, I got white and black specifically so that I could kind of get rid of this box. I don't know, I feel like that was inappropriate how I did that. Anyway. Okay, so I actually got this from Really Good Stuff. It has candles that come with it, and each color signified like a step in the writing process, so like the 6 traits of writing. Okay, so you have stuff like word choice, conventions, sentence fluency, voice, organization, and ideas. But I ended up never using these. Maybe one day I will, but for like right now, I never did. So I kind of do my editing a little bit different. I'm gonna have a video coming out on that like later, but yeah, so I'm just using these to house colored pencils right now. It's nice and tall, so the colored pencils fit in there really well. If you do want to get it, it's from Really Good Stuff. I don't know if they have it anymore, but that is where I got this, and it does come with candles, so there's that. Okay, probably noticed that some of my colored pencils just were not sharpening, and that seemed odd to me. So I went ahead and looked inside here, and I could see that there was a little piece of red lead pencil pigment stuck in there. So I grabbed a T-pen and it's really hard to get it in there so you can see, but I grabbed a T-pin because they're really, like, they're long, and then they have this great little handle. Hi there, T-pin. I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, and I kind of was like digging at it. I don't think I got it out 100%. However, I'm able to sharpen the pencils again, so it's good enough for me. I don't know if that has ever happened to you guys. Do you have a different method that works better? The T-pin worked pretty okay. It's really hard to see in there. So yeah, but the T-pin worked. The other thing I wanted to say is I did a video a long time ago when my channel first started. I think it was like my second or third video, and it's like the #1 way to get a pencil stuck out of the sharpener. We all know that kids will put in pencils too far and then it's stuck. There is a trick. You must have an eraser on the pencil to do this, but if there is an eraser, there is a way to get it out. If you've never seen that video, you should go show it some love. I will try to link it. If not, go find it. I think it's in the playlist. You're welcome. All right, so, okay, you guys, I think my sharpener got a little bit hot. It's very warm back here. I was mid-pencil and it was like, nope, we're done. Are you ready? Check this out, you guys. Look at that. So good. So the sharpener that I used is this one. It's from Staples. This is my all-time favorite sharpener. It is a workhorse. I know people like the one with like all the different sizes, but the reality is, how often do we use not the standard size? So anyway, this one's from Staples. It is hot. It's steaming right now. So I need to let this sharpener take a rest because it needs to be the sleepy sharpener. All right, anyway, that was really stupid what I just said, but I'm really happy with those pencils. I have more in here, and now what I'm gonna do is start putting things away again. I guess I need to start doing that. It's you guys. I am not sure though that I like that it goes back so far, because then I can't access the other files very well. So I don't know how I feel about that, but it does fit, so that's an option, which I'm excited about. Okay, so originally I was going to buy a second one of these, but they are 20 bucks, which is kind of pricey. Hi, Target. But what I'm thinking I'll do is if I put this one in front and this, and hi, where is it? And this one in the back, I feel like that'll be a better option. So I'm gonna now put in the bars and stick it in there. And I think what I'm gonna do is keep like all of my math stuff in here, and then also my like different stuff for small groups. Yeah, that's gonna be perfect. I'm so excited. Although I did want 2 of those. I just don't want to spend the money. Yeah. Oh yeah, another project done. Okay, so I know like I can't get to the back, but I can pull it forward a little bit and then reach back there. I don't think I'm gonna have that many files. I just wanted to have that there. Although now that I think about this, maybe I'll keep this as like a file for my students. I don't know. Yeah, I'll probably just keep this like a math thing because this is like different like little activities I can do with the kids. So yeah. Do I not have a black Sharpie? All right, so I don't have a black, but brown will do. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mark up my students' erasers. So I give my students erasers, the pink kind, typically like this one here, okay? And what I do is I write their I write their number in their class. So I teach A and B, a 3A and a 3B. So I'll put like 1B, 2B, 3B, etc. on the erasers. And that way, if anything happens to the eraser, then it's theirs. And they can't claim that they didn't do anything to it. I mean, I used to hear all kinds of random stuff about like, oh, it just broke in half. It's like, and you can just replace it. So